Hi, what are you doing today?
Oh, today, look at all these cucumbers.
That's cucumber? I don't see any cucumber.
Exactly. There's only one here.
What?
So far, I have only harvested 2 cucumbers, including this tiny little one, 3. Because I have no.
What about that one there?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this is tiny, even doesn't look like it will grow a good cucumber. So this year, I don't know why all these cucumbers produce male flowers. And there's not many female flowers. That's why I don't have cucumber. My Chinese non-cucumber on the other garden made lots of cucumbers, like over 20 cucumbers already. Daddy has been eating cucumbers every day. It's none a day. But this one, not producing. I feel bad to cut all of the leaves. I feel bad to cut all, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to experiment by cutting or remove all these branches from the above the root. Then I hope it will grow new branch and with the female flowers. This is my intention today. You got it, right?
Yep.
So how do I remove it and leave the string on? Oh, see this one? The one, the one is so heavy, make this.
The line.
Okay, so I'm going to cut here. Just remove. See, this is all male flowers. So I just cut this all off, right? They put on the floor here. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Do you eat cucumbers?
No.
When are you going to eat cucumbers?
I still sometimes.
Oh, you
In
do
like
eat
poke bowls.
Oh, okay. So you do eat the cucumbers sometimes.
See, all these yellow flowers are male flowers because they haven't produced anything.
So what I'm doing right now?
You're cutting off the male flowers.
Not a male. I'm cutting off all the branches. These are all male flowers on it, right?
And there's a lot of male flowers. That's
So why do I do that?
I don't know. Can you tell me?
So I cut all the branches all the way above the root. So hope it will produce more branches with the female flowers instead of all male flowers. Excuse me.
What? You mixed it up.
No, I was belching. I'm laughing because I was belching.
Yeah, but you said I'm gonna cut off all the male flowers, so there's gonna be no female flowers.
Oh, I said that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Well, that's somewhat what you said. I think. I don't know. See, those yellow things are male flowers because they haven't produced anything. Because we had this for a long time, I think.
Later on, I just need to tighten the string.
Done.
You can pause a little. Okay, I removed all the branches of male flowers away. Now this one has have 2 cucumbers, and there's a small here. So I leave this branch, let it grow. Then I cut all this above this long, this tall. I cut all this. Tomorrow when I get a chance, I will bury the stems some to the ground, then give some fertilizer, then I hope it will produce some more branches, and I hope there are female flowers later on. This is my experiment.